Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestor.com. I'd like to share with you a brief update. This is the custom roll bar that we made for the 1981 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. In an earlier video we shared where the roll bar was made. We treated with a two-part epoxy to seal it. From that point we applied a high build gray primer. We did a lot of hand sanding to get it all the way up to 400 grit. And then we've now painted it this base coat, clear coat finish, and this is this special black metallic that matches the Land Cruiser's fenders, some accents in the dash, and also the large roof panel. So this is a sparkle metallic that we made, and I think if I shine this natural sunlight flashlight on it, you can, hopefully the camera can pick it up. It's quite nice. It's quite dusty already. So we're almost ready to install it back into the Toyota Land Cruiser. So it has a lot of sparkle metallic in it, and it matches the fenders, and it has that special almost like an atomic orange pearl exterior paint. So with this roll bar matching the other black accents, I think it's going to look quite smart. So now that you have the high gloss finish, so it has about 5 coats of base, and then it has I believe 5 or 6 coats of clear coat. And then what we'll be doing, obviously we have it all ready to install, so we'll share with you an upcoming video once we have this custom roll bar back installed in the 81 Toyota Land Cruiser. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestor.com.